Go see.
Put her on the stairs. I think Santa came last night, Ellie.
Go look and see if Santa brought you some presents. Go look. Ellie! Look what Santa brought you!
Look, Ellie!
What did he bring you? A baby!
Did Santa bring you a baby?
In a bed? Your baby has a bed? What else did Santa bring you? Juice and milk.
Look at that!
That's from Santa. Wow.
You don't know where to start, do you? What is that? Is that a dollhouse? That is a baby. And the baby lives in that house.
Hey, Ellie. Did you see what else Santa brought you?
Oh! A bike!
What is that?
Santa brought you a tricycle! Go look!
That's your hat for when you ride it. Can you get on? You want to sit on it?
Ooh, that's a big girl
Oh,
tricycle. Big
Can I
girl.
help?
Look at you, big girl.
Oh my goodness, Ellie!
That's your new tricycle. It's a little big, huh?
You want to play with the other toys? Okay.
So you'll grow into that. That'll be so funny.
This is a big girl bike. Ellie, you got a big girl bike now.
Hey, Ellie, do you want to go see if the reindeer ate their food?
Want to go see?
Okay. Oh, look, Santa ate his cookie.
Okay.
Santa ate the cookie.
Santa ate his cookie. He left a little piece. You want it?
No bite?
You can have it. Santa ate his cookies that you left him.
Let's go see if the reindeer ate their food.
Ellie, look, they did. Look. All the reindeer food's gone. They made a mess. The reindeer ate their food.
Ellie, I think they thought it was delicious.
They liked it.
Did you hear them last night?
Yeah. Do you want to go look at your presents more?
Whoa, is that a pig and a tractor? What else did you get? Hey, Ellie. Ellie, look at Mommy. Can you say Merry Christmas? Look at that.
The castle.
How about the gifts? Okay. Ellie. Ellie.
Ellie.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Thank you, Santa.
Do you say thank you, Santa?
Ellie. Can you say thank you to Santa?
Good girl.